Is your LG refrigerator refusing to make ice? Before you buy a replacement, try these simple troubleshooting steps. Welcome back to HnKParts, your go-to place for appliance repair tips and high-quality replacement parts. Today, we're diving into a common problem many LG refrigerator owners face. Ice makers that just won't work properly. Before you rush out to buy a replacement kit, let's troubleshoot and see if we can solve the issue quickly and easily. First, let's talk about what causes the ice maker to be defective. There are a few common reasons. A clogged water line can prevent water from reaching the ice maker. A faulty water inlet valve can block water flow. A defective ice maker assembly can fail mechanically or electrically. Freezer temperature issues can stop ice from forming properly. And sometimes ice cubes get jammed, preventing new ice from being made. Now that we know the common causes, let's troubleshoot step by step. Start by checking your water supply. Make sure your fridge is connected to a water line and that the water is turned on. Check for any kinks or blockages in the tubing. Next, inspect the water inlet valve. If the ice maker isn't getting water, test the valve for continuity with a multimeter and replace it if necessary. Then, examine the ice maker assembly itself. Look for any visible damage, broken components, or burnt connectors. Sometimes, a simple reset by pressing the test button on the ice maker can fix minor issues. Also, check your freezer temperature. Your freezer should be at the proper temperature, typically 0 degrees Fahrenheit. If it's warmer, ice production will slow down or stop completely. Finally, clear any jammed ice in the tray or ejector arm. Gently remove stuck cubes and restart the ice maker. By following these troubleshooting steps, you can often fix your LG ice maker without needing to replace the entire assembly kit. But if your ice maker assembly is beyond repair, you can get a reliable LG refrigerator ice maker assembly kit from HnKParts.com, where we provide OEM quality replacement parts that are easy to install. And don't wait, click the link in the description to get your ice maker assembly kit today and get your fridge back to perfect ice making in no time. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to HnKParts, and turn on notifications so you never miss a repair guide. Thanks for watching.